Hey guys, we received this Eggmazing Egg Decorator Dragon Egg Kit for test and try. So these are arts and crafts kits, really great for the Easter. As you see, like the kids play with that, so it's real fun. And this is the main egg amazing thing. Means actually there are the eggs and there are the mini dragons, 3D printed dragons inside. So this is for coloring and requires the batteries are not supplied, so you have to use your own batteries, three AA batteries that we need to put in, and then the magic will start. So after all, this is a great thing. First thing is like the good for Easter. Second thing, the kids can do their own craft, enjoy their time. And then third thing is like the 3D printed dragon I will show you later on. So you have to just place in your egg, and these color pens are also provided, so that's a good thing. You can easily just use this, start the machine and just color it. See, like it's rotating, and you have to just hold the pen and this will color up. You can use all different types, all different shades, and then have fun. So really fun, and the like thing, and amazing to see, fun to do these things and use like the different colors and different styles that you can do, and the kids will love this. My kids already like waiting for me to complete this video so they can also try these. But it's a real fun, because I don't want to just make a mess in my video, so I'm not giving it to them, but right now. But yeah, like they will do that. And see, there are like the small dragons, 3D printed dragons inside, really cool, fun, and looks cute as well. Nice quality and fun things for the kids. So overall, it's a nice kit.